In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a Gemini AI update problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so fix number one is to check if the update is actually available. So sometimes the app hasn't rolled out yet. So to do this on your Google Play or App Store, just simply click into it. Now click onto search apps and games, and then search for Gemini. Here it is here. Now, if the button says open, not update, it's just not released for your region just yet. Now, the next fix is to go ahead and force refresh the store. So from here, click onto games, click onto your profile icon, and then tap on manage apps and device, kind of near the middle of the page here. Then from here, it says updates available. Click on see details and see if Gemini is on this list. If it is, go ahead and click onto update. Now the next fix is to clear store cache. So this fixes stuck updates. Now for Android users, we want to go ahead and hold down your Play Store app. Now click onto I to get into app info. Scroll down under usage. We want to go ahead and click onto storage and now clear cache. So clear cache. And now do the exact same thing for Google Play services. So go to settings, get back into where are we, apps, then do a search, and now type in Google Play services. Here it is here. Click into that. Scroll down, usage, storage, go ahead and clear cache as well. Then from there, restart your phone. But before you restart your phone, try disabling any VPNs, ad blocks, or private DNS if they are running. So Gemini's updates often get blocked by those as well. Now, the last fix is to simply switch network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, go ahead and switch to mobile data or vice versa.